If you're on TikTok, you probably have seen a ton of viral makeup trends of people doing their makeup kind of strangely. We're pro makeup artists and we're gonna show you exactly how to do it, AKA if they work. I honestly think some of them are gimmicks, so we're gonna tell you if they are or not.
Perfect, yeah. It's honestly hilarious what some people will do to make a cool video, so we're gonna do some of them to make a cool video.
And we'll tell you if they're a gimmick. Okay, I have my water, I have my foundation. This is a viral trend on TikTok that I've seen a ton of people trying, so we're gonna see if it actually works or if it's a gimmick.
I'm literally scared.
I kind of think it's a gimmick. This is gonna be fun though because Grace is literally freaking out about it. Put my
Look
foundation.
what she's doing with my beautiful foundation.
Oh, lift it to the top. I've never. Let's see. Gotta stir it up.
No, you literally don't.
You do. It says to stir it up. I see it on all the TikToks. And then you take what's left and you just. Is it kind of slimy? Let me get some more. Oh, it already looks so good on my shirt. It is looking amazing already. Okay, yes. This is what I've seen all the girls do. They say it makes your foundation way more dewy and way more workable.
Can you blend it in? It's gonna drip off of me.
Well, I'm trying to get it off the thing. Okay, so let's see if it's a gimmick. This is the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation in the water. It does look kind of gross, I'm not gonna lie. We're gonna just blend it with a brush. Okay. I ain't mad about it. It's actually kind of nice.
The funny thing to me about this trend is that usually they make makeup like sweat proof and like essentially to withstand water. So you're just putting it in water and then putting it on someone's
you know what though?
face.
I'm seeing if it's a gimmick or not.
I guess I'm not looking at it, you know? I can't.
It actually, like, it's doing some good stuff. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I don't hate it.
That's great. Can't wait to see.
What?
I'm just a happy person.
Chin up. It is kind of hard to get out of the water. I'm not gonna lie.
Why are you using the stick?
Because you want me to dip your brush in?
True.
And this is how the girls said to do it. I would say that's the biggest downside though. Like getting it out of the water is kind of annoying. Oh.
Hurry up and blend it.
What?
Nothing. I just...
I'm not gonna lie, this is a little weird. Like, it's a weird concept. As makeup artists doing this, it's weird.
It's weird.
But, I mean, you gotta try the viral trends to see if they work. Okay, I don't hate it though. It's kind of nice. I'm gonna get you married and let you see. It does, I feel like, make it a little bit more like skin almost, because I feel like the foundation usually is really, really glowy, and I feel like it looks more like skin now in a way.
I feel like especially on the areas of my skin where I don't have texture and need a little extra coverage, it looks really beautiful. So probably like if I were to go forward, I would cover up my little blemishes
Beforehand,
but I think it looks really pretty.
I kind of like it. I feel like the Giorgio Armani is very like glowy, and this kind of takes that down a little bit to be more skin-like.
I agree. Yeah, I like it.
I don't hate it. I'm kind of surprised. I kind of thought I was gonna not like it at all, but it's pretty. I don't know if I'd say I had to do it every day because this is what it looks like.
Probably it's hard to get off your cup.
We shall see. No, doesn't look super hard. But getting it out is not super easy. You kind of have to scrape it off the edges. But it's not as much of a gimmick as I thought it would be. We don't hate it.
Awesome.
There you have it. You can try it, but we don't recommend it for every day because it's a lot of work.
I applied the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter. Now I'm applying the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk. And I'm gonna see how many products I can apply in the heart shape.
I can't help it.
Her hearts are gonna look terrible.
The concept is so weird.
It's so weird.
Okay, go.
All right, I gotta wipe that one off. Now that we have applied all of her hearts pretty much everywhere on her face, I'm gonna take the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray and set everything. Where some of those hearts have dried out a little bit, this is gonna help refresh and keep them blendable.
This I got none.
Nice. Perfect. I'm starting with her concealer, blending out the lightest colors first. Okay, so we did it. We tried it, and I kind of think it's a hoax.
I think it's crap.
I think one thing that we did maybe do slightly less good than the girl on TikTok is the color of the concealer. The concealer we used, we wanted a really creamy consistency, so we went with a Kosas, but I think we should have gone for a lighter shade because it's a little warm on her. So that's the only thing that I would have changed, but in general, it just didn't work.
It wasn't great. Like the ending product, there's not a lot of definition, and I honestly think that the girls on TikTok do stuff in between like the blending and the final look. Like it's not great. I think it looks like absolute crap. Honestly.
But hey, try it yourself and let us know if you have better results because it was kind of cool.
It was a cool concept, but I just wish it actually worked better.
Yeah.
And looked better in the end. So I think it's a hoax. I think it's
same. It's a hoax. See you in the next viral video.